How to recover your Snapchat account without a phone or an email in 2023. So please subscribe to this channel and click that bell icon on so you'll be updated if there are new uploads. So what we are going to do first is go to our browser and go to the support for Snapchat website. Here you have a lot of options here, but what we will do is go down and contact us. Once you are contact us, click on the I can't access my account, and then I forgot my password. So this will load. Scroll down and still need help, click on yes. So here is yes. Just click on it. And then you will be prompted with the username, the email, the mobile number, and the description. So all you need to do is to fill up these credentials that they are going to need, just like your username, your email, and your mobile number. And please provide a brief description of your situation. So I hope this helps and see you on the next video.